Hello, friends. My name is Alexandra Luque. I am 31 years old. I am studying food engineering. I live in Camilo Torres of Kennedy with my husband and my two children. I love dancing. In my free time, I play with my children and read. Okay. Eh, Next, I will show the preparation of lemon dessert. Ingredients: 3 lemons, 200 grams of milk cream, 200 grams of condensed milk, cookies ducales. Preparation: we grate the lemons. We extract the juice for the lemon. We pour the milk cream into the blender. Often pour the condensed milk into the blender. We beat until the mixture is homogeneous. Next, add the lemon juice. Continue to beat the juice in the mixture. The mix is usually left with a thin consistency. Next, add the layer of the previously prepared mixture in a mold. The mix in the mold. Then we add a layer of cookies. And we continue to interpose mixture and cookies layer until the mixture content ends. Later, we add the squash of the lemons to highlight its flavor. Finally, we put the refrigerator 4 hours. And enjoy the delicious dessert. Delicious, very, very delicious. Thanks, my friends. Bye.